Imagine yourself in the midst of creating a DIY project. You have a fitted shelf, a frame to cut, or perhaps even a piece of furniture to make from scratch. You dream of a saw that is both powerful, precise, and easy to use. But above all, you want it to be as efficient as it is practical, without being limited by a cord. Allow me to introduce you to the ideal solution, the cordless Jigsaw PJSS 11-20V from TROTEC. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours at the best price right now. This product is ideal for both amateur and professional DIY enthusiasts who seek power, precision, and practicality in a single tool. It is perfectly suited for those working on various materials and projects that require clean and splinter-free cuts from the very first use. You will notice the ergonomic design of this jigsaw. Weighing only 3.60–109 kg, it is light enough to be handled with ease even during extended work sessions. The 2009 handle with a soft grip insert ensures a comfortable and secure hold, reducing vibrations and providing optimal precision with every cut. But don't be fooled by its lightness. This saw is equipped with a powerful motor powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. This innovative battery is designed to prevent memory effect and self-discharge, which means you can use it at any time, even after a long period of inactivity. This jigsaw from TROTEC is equipped with a 4-position switch that allows you to adjust the type of cut according to your specific needs. Whether you need a 3-position pendulum movement for quick cuts or a setting for fine and precise cuts, this jigsaw knows how to adapt. Furthermore, the speed is continuously adjustable, giving you total control over your work. Imagine being able to carve with finesse or cut with power, all with a single tool. Another major advantage of this jigsaw is its steel table with removable soles. You can tilt this table up to 40 degrees in 15 degrees increments, making it ideal for angled cuts and for protecting the most delicate pieces. A plastic pad is included. This means that you can work on a variety of materials, from wood to metal, including plastic and aluminum, without fearing damage to your surfaces. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Worked with precision and ease through several integrated features, the dual-function blower, for example, ensures perfect visibility by blowing chips away from the cutting line, while the suction function keeps your workspace clean and dust-free. Additionally, the integrated LED lighting illuminates your work area, making each cut even more precise. Imagine never having to struggle with chips and dust again, or squinting to see your cutting line. Changing the blade is often a tedious task, but with this jigsaw, it's a breeze. Thanks to the quick-release chuck, you can replace the blade in just a few seconds without the need for additional tools. This ease of use is further enhanced by a splinter guard that ensures clean cuts without splintering, providing professional results every time. But let's talk about another aspect, the battery. A 3-level charge indicator keeps you informed about the battery's status, preventing unpleasant surprises while working. And when the battery is empty, there's no need to panic. The included fast charger allows for a full recharge in just 1 hour with automatic shut-off to protect the battery. You will be back to your project in no time. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its drawbacks. Advantage number 1, cordless mobility. This jigsaw offers great freedom of movement, making it ideal for outdoor work or in areas without access to a power outlet. Advantage number 2, high-performance battery. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery allows for prolonged use without memory effect or self-discharge, ensuring immediate availability. Advantage number 3, cutting versatility. The 4-position switch and the 40-degree tiltable table allow for easy adaptation to different types of cuts and materials. Advantage number 4, ease of maintenance. The tool-free blade change and the blowing and suction function facilitate maintenance and keep the work environment clean. Advantage number 5, enhanced safety. The safety switch and the integrated splash guard increase safety during use. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks, with the number 1 being limited battery life. Although the battery is efficient, very long work sessions may require frequent recharges or a spare battery. This jigsaw is not just a simple jigsaw, it is a true ally for all your cutting tasks. Whether in your workshop, your garage, or even right in your living room, this jigsaw offers you unmatched versatility and convenience. Its advanced technology and thoughtful design make it an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast, whether amateur or professional. To discover for yourself the power and precision of the cordless jigsaw, PJSS 11-20V from TROTEC, click on the link in the description. Order now at the best price and see why hundreds of customers are already won over by this exceptional tool. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.